Official manufacturer certified, official power adapter designed exclusively for all ITOUCHLESS brand sensor trash cans. Compatible with ITOUCHLESS products, compatible with ITOUCHLESS 2.5 gallon to 23 gallon models. Quality tested certified. All listed, saves time and money on buying batteries. Convenient, long cord length 510. So you can place your trash can wherever it is most convenient. Note: use of an ITOUCHLESS can with another brand of AC adapter will void the manufacturer's warranty. This model only works with ITOUCHLESS products specifically. Top reviews from the United States. I bought more. I got my first one several years ago and I still use it today. Then when we moved into our home, I realized that I needed, or was it wanted, more, and so I bought 2 more. They work fabulous. The only thing is make sure you buy batteries or the power cable because it does not come with them. I have gotten so used to them that I find myself waving my hand over my friends' trash cans to get them to open, only to realize that not all trash cans are so convenient. You do have to be mindful of how much you pack into the trash can because you could break the catcher for the filtration packet if you pack the thing too much. Putting in bags are easy and taking them out are easy too if you don't stuff it full of trash.